starting the day off a little bit in negative territory. Very, very small. NASDAQ leading the way on the way down about 30 basis points. About 15 minutes after the open, we're going to have Chairman Powell testifying before the Senate Banking Committee. It used to be called the Hawkins. They're not called that anymore. What do they call it? Semi-annual Monetary Policy Report. I don't think there's going to be any surprises. Usually that the transcript of his speech is usually released beforehand, so it's not really. Maybe in the Q&A we get a little bit of something. So we'll see. The other thing to watch is pharma stocks, because they are going. Some CEOs are going to be up on the Hill today, basically getting grilled on why drug prices are so high. So we'll see what happens with that. We are opening up in just about 1 minute. We'll see what lines up and see if we can get something working early. Yesterday we fired off a couple signals. I don't think we got filled on anything. One of those days yesterday.